Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the radio unit. First of all, this is how the radio looks like before. Yes, we are going to start by removing the down. Remove this first. This is the one that lights the cigarettes. Then you disconnect it and keep it safe.
There are screws here.
We have screws inside.
Here, inside.
Oh, we have two screws inside.
We have this.
We have this one.
We have also this.
We also have these ones here, which is size 10. Size 9.
10.
I'm saying 9 on it.
10.
Okay, size 10.
So now we are opening.
Okay, you open. Let me move it back a little bit. So the next step here,
moving also this.
shall move our two screws with a star. The same applies here. So we shall. So we have also have another side, two screws on the side. We also have a down one, so those are 4. So you also remove the down one, the other side. We also removed 2 from here. Then we're going to remove the screws from this side down. So the next step here, we're going to go ahead to slide the cover of the radio unit and the gear lever, and we are going to remove it slowly. After removing all the screws attached to it. So we also have this side. So that one was glued, so we're going to find ways of moving it with some little bit of energy. This is a Harrier model 2007, and we are showing you how to move all the parts of the dashboard, starting from the steering. We have done that. So we are going to remove the radio, and we are going to remove that part here, the cover for that display.
So we have removed it.
So you have removed that. Do not have any screw on it.
So the radio is here.
So we have the radio with screws, 2 screws, I think. As you can see here, we have 2 screws which are visible. We are using the size 10 to open it.
Okay.
So we have also removed the other screw, and you have to keep them in the safe place. So you have the radio here. You disconnect it. It has the wires. Remove that one first.
This one.
The second part. So you have to remove them gently, so that you don't break anything. So this is our radio. So you have another cable here that comes straight from the radio.
This one looks like an antenna.
So this is our antenna. So remove it gently. So here we have that wire that was connecting, goes to this here. Disconnect it. So you have disconnected it. So you keep it in a safe place. Take my box.